You will love the features of this 2018 Lincoln MKX. This vehicle still has fewer than 45,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Now is the perfect time to start a fresh new chapter in your traveling life. Take a closer look at this vehicle. Its design and features represent an outstanding value. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, active suspension, remote engine start, keyless start, satellite radio, heated mirrors, fog lamps, power passenger seat, heated front seat. Meet us at the intersection of style and efficiency. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.